Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your Microsoft sign in and license so updates can install. Once done, open Word and choose Help, then check for updates. If that option opens Microsoft Auto Update, proceed there. Make sure you close Excel and PowerPoint so files aren't locked, and verify your Mac is on stable Wi-Fi and connected to power. This reduces interruptions and ensures the updater can download the installer without permission, prompts blocking progress or corrupting the update. Next, use Microsoft Auto Update to control how updates install. You can pick automatic for background installs or manual to approve each update. Choose what fits you. Click Check for updates to fetch available Office patches, then review the version and notes to confirm it's the Word update you want. When you start the install, you may need to enter your Mac admin password. Let the download and installation finish without forcing shutdowns, and keep Word closed until completion so files don't conflict. To finish, restart Word and check Word about Word to confirm the new version and any applied fixes. Make sure Auto Update is enabled if you prefer hands-off maintenance, or schedule monthly manual checks to stay current. If something goes wrong, try quitting and relaunching Microsoft Auto Update first. If that fails, reinstall the Microsoft Auto Update app. This single troubleshooting step often clears corrupt updater caches and lets you retry the update without a full Office reinstall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.